Rocket Lab has collapsed minus 10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, June 13th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are charging higher today, with risk appetite firmly back on. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 edged higher plus 0.64% to $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.70% at $51,202. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. DAX climbed plus 1.76% to $24,635. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 10.79% to $102.39. Equity markets are responding to reports that Virgin Galactic craters 24%, Rocket Lab drops 8%, SpaceMobile falls 10% as SpaceX hype triggers a space stock shakeout, 24/7 Wall St. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. LVMH made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.53% to $510.60. Equity markets are responding to reports that China sales hold up as European luxury brands warn of Iran war impact, South China Morning Post. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $87.33 per barrel, down 3.37% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude plunged to $84.88 per barrel, down 3.23% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas edged higher to $3.12, up 1.07% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,215 per troy ounce, up 3.05% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Rocket Lab is around $96.25. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.34% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.19, gaining 0.03% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment, drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.